Hello everyone. In this video I'll crush this small car made to break apart using my hands to mimic a hydraulic press. But before we see this spectacular and quick moment, let me tell you a bit more about the car itself. This is a special breakable car. It's able to deform. I made it out of modeling clay so I can easily break it however I want. I've broken a lot of these cars and I wanted to diversify all this destruction by using only the strength of my hands. I think crushing a car like this will be easy, but we'll find out soon if that's true. And today, our victim will be a model of a Peugeot 406 car. This was originally a white Peugeot from the movie Taxi, which I made 6 years ago. And all this time it was kept for this very special moment. When we get to see the damage to the car after it's been crushed by the press, I covered it with a thin layer of modeling clay to give it a new bright color. But before that, I had to cut off quite a lot. The long wide bumper, the air intakes on the roof and the spoiler fit perfectly, and with the new wheels it already looks much better. No matter how much I covered the car, the body still had dents. 6 years ago, I was much worse at shaping than now. With such a bright color and wheels, the car changed a bit and started to look better than it did before. Now I'm starting to squeeze this clay car. Man, it's not as easy as I thought. There's a lot of thick clay in it, and the body is reinforced with wire. The car starts to fold in on itself and the cabin area just won't crumple. The doors stayed straight and didn't bend because I made them thick and even added windows so they just don't bend that easily. But on the second try, I'll definitely crush them. The bumper turned out so flat, but the hood stayed in place and didn't bend any further. The rear part expanded and the trunk bent inward. The threshold bulged out. On the left side of the car, the wheels are already bent, while on the right they're still round because they're made differently. This turns out to be very interesting. Now I'll crush it completely, as much as I can. And here's what happened to this car. I crushed it really hard, but the wheels still stayed round, so they can be used for another car. This is the plasticine pancake I received. Write if you would also like to bend a car with your own hands and see such damage with your own eyes. Just like that, in a few seconds, and the car is gone. And here are these beautiful wheels. I made them very strong, so they didn't bend even like this. But on this side of the car, one of the wheels got completely flattened, and the second one didn't have it easy either. So what's the difference between soft and hard modeling clay? This is what happened. It was unrealistic to bend this modeling clay car because there's just too much clay. And the body parts are thick, also reinforced with wire. And the doors are even stronger because of the transparent plastic inserted in them as windows. But I think it turned out quite interesting. If you like this kind of Photoshop, if you like the video format where I crush the car with my own hands, then leave a like and let me know in the comments. Would you like to see more videos like this with a miniature hydraulic press simulation? Subscribe to my Creative Clay channel. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye everyone.